is concrete from here all the way up to that shelf. That's, you can't really even see it, but essentially, what, 2 feet maybe of pure concrete, as well as this wall's probably, what, 3 feet? Probably about 3 feet of pure concrete. And then you come around the edge. And it's concrete ceiling with I think this is an air vent that you can use to open and close for fresh air. Looks like some kind of water pipe, and all concrete. So concrete 3 sides, and your roof. Real similar to tornado shelter.
I'll just have you walk us out.
Okay. Can you see?
Yeah.